The Proof of Brake Inspection feature will allow the technician to capture brake inspection data from repairs and inspections not completed as part of the safety inspection. To begin, select Inspection menu. On the Inspection menu screen, you'll be able to see the available options. Select Safety Inspection. From the Safety Inspection menu, select Proof of Brake Inspection. Enter your user ID and password. The application will perform a system status check to confirm your tablet software is up to date and all necessary devices are connected. Enter the vehicle's license plate and select the appropriate country and province from the drop-down menus. Please note Ontario, Canada is the default. Take a photo of the vehicle including a clear image of the license plate and vehicle make. Select Continue. You will then have the option to take up to 5 pre-inspection photos. You will now be prompted to take a photo of the compliance label of the vehicle being inspected. This compliance photo is required to proceed. You can capture up to 3 photos. Once this is complete, select Continue. Click on the button to scan the VIN barcode using the rear-facing camera. If the barcode cannot be scanned, the technician must enter the VIN manually twice. Review and validate the pre-populated vehicle information and complete any fields that remain unpopulated. Once this is complete, select Continue. You will now determine if the vehicle's odometer is readable and functioning and check the appropriate box. You will then be prompted to take a photo of the instrument cluster with the odometer information displayed and enter the odometer reading in the field below. It is the responsibility of the technician to ensure submitted photos are clear and contain the information required. The pictures should be reviewed and retaken if the image is not clear. You will now be prompted to turn the vehicle's ignition switch to the off position for 10 seconds. Once this is complete, select Continue. Next, you will be required to connect the 1OBD device to the vehicle's data link connector. The tablet will now prompt you to start the engine. Once the engine is running, click Continue. Once the OBD test is complete, you'll be instructed to disconnect the 1OBD device from the vehicle and select Continue. You will have the opportunity to enter optional OBD inspection comments. The application will now give you the option to complete a new proof of brake inspection or record an existing paper-based PBIR. Perform new proof of brake inspection is used when a vehicle inspection center completes a brake inspection outside of the safety inspection. Record an existing brake inspection is used to enter brake inspections completed by motor vehicle inspection stations prior to enrolling in the drive-on program. For this video, we are going to perform a new proof of brake inspection. You will now be required to select the total number of brake assemblies that were inspected. The tablet will then display a drop-down for each of the brake assemblies inspected. For each brake assembly you will select the drop-down and populate the following fields. Axle number. Steer axle. Yes or no. Lift axle. Yes or no. Vehicle side. Driver or passenger. Brake type. Disc or drum. Once complete, select Continue. From this page, you will select air brakes. You will notice the stars indicating that mandatory measurements are required. Select disc brake system components. When taking your photos for the disc and pad measurements, you must include the measuring device. Select disc, rotor, thickness. Select the drop-down for each brake assembly. Enter the thickness measurement for each brake disc and drum. Select the appropriate box to indicate if each disc and drum has exceeded the discard tolerance. Take a photo of each disc and drum. Once complete, select Continue. Now select Pad, Friction Material, Thickness. Select the drop-down for each brake assembly. Take a photo and enter the friction material thickness for both inner and outer pads on each brake assembly. Once complete, select Continue. Select Pass, Fail or Repaired for each category before proceeding. Please note, if any items fail the inspection, this proof of brake inspection will not be used during the vehicle's next annual or semi-annual safety inspection. Once complete, select Continue. Select Submit. Once completed, you will be required to sign the inspection and select Continue. The application will send the inspection results and associated files to the program database. Here is a sample proof of brake inspection report. These reports are automatically emailed to the VIC owner or delegate. The technician also has the option to email these directly to the motorists by entering their email address into the tablet at the end of the inspection. Inspection reports can also be accessed on the public website using the Vehicle History option. This concludes the proof of brake inspection. Enter new demonstration.